Hi, in this video, which also happens to be my first video, I'm going to be helping you select your first programming language. So I want to go over why I wanted to make this video. So firstly, why I decided to make this video is because I feel as if others tend to make the subject too complex. I've noticed that others who try to tackle this problem tend to send other people down a million rabbit holes. I've also spoken to numerous developers, and I've noticed trends on what languages they started off with and what languages they recommend learning first. And finally, I just want to help others. I remember when I was struggling to find my first programming language and how confusing it all was for me. The first thing I'm going to have you do is select an interest group from the 3 groups below. And if you can't find a group that fits you, I would definitely select Group B. The first group is Group A, and this group is for you if you're interested in game development and developing cheats for games, or if you want to develop operating systems. Also choose this group if you want to create programs that require lots of speed and processing power. Be careful though, because the language for this group is often seen as complex and sometimes hard to understand. The second group is Group B. If you want to learn programming for general purpose, this group is definitely for you. The language in this group is also easy to understand and you can write software quickly in it. Also choose this group if you're interested in machine learning or data science. The final group is Group C, and the explanation for this group is simple. If you're interested in web development, choose this group. The languages for Group A are C and C++. The difference between C and C++ is that C is lower level and more complex than C++. So if you want a challenge or you're specifically interested in something like developing an operating system, I would go with C. Otherwise, I'd choose C++. The language for Group B is Python. Python is an amazing language because you can do a lot with it. This language is amazing for beginners because the syntax is a lot like English, which means it is very easy to understand when writing. The languages for the final group are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These languages are essential for learning web development, and the recommended order for learning them is first HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript. Thank you for watching, and I hope that I was able to help you find your first language. If so, please like and subscribe, as I'll be doing tutorials on all of these languages.